morning, Broncos.
Good morning.
Today is June 6, 2012.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Taylor, and it's very sunny outside today, don't you think?
It is.
It's very sunny Wednesday. It's advisory. If you didn't know that.
It's advisory Wednesday.
All right.
Here's your news.
Are you traveling this summer? You may need a picture ID card to board the plane. The ID card printer is going away on June 7th, so your last chance is coming up fast. If you need a new ID card, pay the bookkeeper $5 and bring the receipt to Mrs. Flood in the main office to ask for a new card. Attention sophomores signed up to take AP US History next year with Mr. Wilson. If you did not get your summer homework in Mr. English's Honor Global Studies class this week, please see Mr. Wilson in B12 before school ends to get your summer assignment. Are you a junior searching for a senior service project and want to complete your hours this summer? The Sun School is looking for volunteers. For more information, stop by the Sun School office located in the Student Center. Do you know what you're doing over the summer break?
I'm moving to San Diego.
I'm gonna work at Subway still.
I'm working and go hang out with friends.
Why do you?
I'm playing softball and I'm working.
Well, I think I'm just gonna hang out with friends. Hopefully my BFO Nation will get a license so we can be riding in the whip, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to have fun this summer, you know? That's really it.
Getting a new job and about to start working out for college, and I'm just gonna kick it with the homies. That's it.
I'm gonna work this summer. I'm gonna kick it with my Fat Four homies. Y'all know who y'all is. Gonna go to barbecues, go to the beach, go to LA, go to concerts, and go to college.
I'm going to take my owner's money and spend it on kibble. Yeah!
Summertime. Summertime.
What do you guys do in the summer?
I'm going to swim in the Willamette River because it's very clean and healthy to do, and I love it.
Oh.
Now, what are you going to do, Rachel?
I'm going to go white water rafting.
You know what I'm going to do?
What are you going to do?
I'm going to the Pacific. I'm going to find myself a shark. I'm going to friend him, domesticate him. And I'm going to get on his back, grab his fin, and ride him. And he's going to show me to the underwater city of Atlantis, and I'm going to get rich. I'm never going to have to come back to school because I have enough money.
He's gonna get on his back and ride that shark.
With a broken arm, so you know, I'm just gonna be
with a broken arm.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
All right, well, Rachel, take it away.
All right. There will be no Sun School classes until June 25th when the summer program starts. Starting June 25th, the Sun School will have the gym open from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock p.m. for drop-in basketball. For more information about the Sun summer program, stop by the Sun School. And now, Camera Sports.
Thank you, Rachel. In sports news, former and current track athletes, if you still have your track uniform, shoes, splints, or shin guards, you need to turn it in to Miss Whistler ASAP. Athletes, if you are a varsity athlete this year and have not received your varsity letter, you can go to the athletic office to pick one up. Now, Rachel, with the rest of your news.
Thank you, Cam Tenney. Juniors, are you interested in completing your senior service over the summer? In order to do this, your service must be approved by Mr. Freeman. Go to the Parkhurst High School website. Select students, then senior service info proposal and completed mentor form must be given to Mr. Freeman in person by June 8th for your volunteer hours to do the summer to count. Dumb joke of the day.
Dumb joke of the day.
Okay, you guys wanna take it?
Why don't you take it, Shark Boy?
All right, I like that name. Which side of the chicken has the most feathers?
Is this a trick question?
A smart
No,
joke.
You guys, it's pretty simple. It's just the outside.
The outside?
Just the outside.
I never would have guessed.
Yeah, because there's no feathers in the inside.
Yeah, that's the point.
Of the joke.
Yeah.
Great joke.
Well, what a good joke, and have a good.
Well, have a good Wednesday, guys.
Advisory.
Look out for
Go play with sharks.
Yeah.
Play with
in the
sharks.
Willamette River.
No, don't.